out here going crazy. This how you make you go crazy.
Talk up, talk up.
For a flood. Say they're gonna give out free money. Free money.
Ain't no such thing as free money, but anyway.
Such thing. So I'm attached to that, like an anchor.
Right. If it's free money, that means all they giving you is your tax money back.
That's the money that you're spending anyway.
Right.
That's chaos right there. Now who gets it? Who gets the money?
Yeah. It's how much funds is it?
Where the numbers at? The pools. Everybody just show up right here.
Yeah, we got
free money.
We got WGN News here.
All this, your basement flooded. No house insurance. No flood insurance.
So what GN gonna do? They just here to report it?
Oh yeah, they're here to report savage acts. Bunch of savages.
Who are these people here?
Half of them probably ain't got basements. Talk that shit TV, man. This is what goes on, man. Half of them probably their lights out. They probably asked for that shit too.
Yeah.
Mischief. Now who got the check? Who gets the check?
So who got a check? Who got the check? Where the check at? What you doing? Going around? You go around?
Go in there and get your camera took.
I ain't going in. Go around. Let's go through. Go through.
Stroll through.
I'm going through.
This will be.
Go ahead.
Go through. Check this shit out right here.
Look at all these people right here.
Pitch the money right now.
And they're trying to make it a big thing. Like it's a big thing.
Oh, man. The alderman's not here. And he ain't even big time number.
None of the aldermen's are here.
Say it again.
Telefarrell is not here. Urban is not here. Those wards was another one infected.
See that?
Was the mayor here though?
Huh?
Was the mayor supposed to be here or something?
I don't know now. This is a meeting for Austin. But not the only alderman here is Emma Mitch. The other ones that wards was affected, they're not even here, sir. Where were you from, Austin boy?
Yeah,
yeah,
no, not from voice.
Yeah, nobody, no aldermen are here.
I'm like, it gotta be
it's
something.
Terrible. I don't have no heat. I don't have my hot water tank. I had stuff flow. I've been digging. I got stuff in the yard. I don't want to put it in they told me not to put it in the alley until we get the okay. They're going to have to put it in the dumpster. I had water up to my second floor stuff. My stuff was floating.
So what services are they providing?
None, as of yet. None. If it had been, listen, Lincoln Park, Wicker Park, Lakeview, Bucktown, Ukraine Village, Ravenswood, they'd have had a church, a big place for them to have me sit in the sweat box in there.
Put you right on the corner.
Yes.
That's
his name here. She's the organization, Katie Lowe. Tell her to get
that's Katie.
Oh man.
Katie Lowe.
Hello, Katie.
We're gonna give it to you. Oh, what's up, bro?
It's good. I can't help but understand that. It's good.
Katie Lowe. T-shirts.
I'm always good, my brother.
Katie.
There's a lot of people out here.
There you go.
Why you looking at me like that?
Y'all be down. Let's have fun.
People out here.
Please. Katie. You get to the townhouse. Tell them what you have had no service.
What service have you had since the rain? What was that, Saturday?
I'll tell you what. Let me tell you what I think they should do. Now I'm gonna tell you. Which way you want to
Yeah, that way. Yeah, face up. Try to get out of the light.
I think the city of Chicago should investigate everybody that worked at the Water Reclamation District. And I'm going to tell you why. Because they shut those damn valves off and they sent that water over here on this west side. They should investigate them, and those people that shut those valves off and sent that water to the west side, they should fire every last one of them. Because you know why? They did the same thing in 2022. And when people got ready to renew their insurance, guess what? The insurance company would not write sewer backup and flood insurance. And when they lost everything, guess what? It's on their own. And they need to investigate that. And they need to be fired. My name, Katie Lowe.
And tell them, Katie, our insurance for the
Hear
jump
from
up.
the people.
Yeah, because it is.
Now, this is what happened.
Tell them our insurance.
It happened in March.
And tell them our insurance.
This happened in March of 2022. Believe me, it did.
And tell them that the insurance is going to jump on our insurance.
The insurance is going to jump up, but guess what? Allstate, State Farm, and American Family do not write flood insurance and soar back up.
They're supposed to have the best sewer system in the world. Illinois.
Liberty Mutual.
Liberty Mutual? See, there's another one. Hey, girl.
It's all a setup. It's all a setup. It's all a setup.
Piss you
Look
off.
at that. Look at that. That's
Mayhem.
This is the price. Trauma.
thank God I just got a fuel sub pump in my house in 2020. So I was getting on a regular.
Right.
And I feel real bad. I'm 71. I'm a senior too. But some of the seniors that can't defend themselves,
Right.
they need advocacy, and they're not giving it.
Giving out
One
this.
thing, they help the migrants. Lord help them.
Yeah.
Just giving this out right here.
And no alderman here, but for MMA.
Him. Where's everybody else? Where's our new mayor? Where's he's not present? In presentation.
Like right now, every alderman that's an alderman,
Should be
they
here.
should be here.
Yeah. It's like a black club party out here, y'all. Y'all don't even understand.
Back to chaos.
It's rough out here.
Chaotic.
See, people be thinking we be on bullshit. Nah, this is why we talk that shit. The shit y'all don't want to talk.
Talk that shit TV. Talk that shit.
We need help. We need help.
Yeah, cause that rain Saturday, then Sunday, and then
Where's the governor at? Where's the governor at? Where's our leaders at?
Right, where the mayor at?
Remember next year coming back again. Next year coming back again. One power.
It's a little bit too late for y'all though.
Right.
Y'all should have been there a couple of days ago.
Y'all and the Flood Brothers.
Right, y'all, right. You, them and the Flood brothers.
Who is this guy? Is that the mayor?
That's
Get in a little closer.
yeah.
What do you make of that?
I can't hit the
I'm very proud of the people here. Residents, community activists, community organizers, they are going to fight for themselves. They're willing to stand up, they're willing to speak out. That's our message today. That's our message. Call the mayor, call the governor, call your commissioners, call your congressional leaders, and demand support, demand resources. Just a few miles from here, they got support already.
Right.
We need support over
Right.
here.
Exactly.
We've been fighting to end the tale of two cities,
Right.
and some of the elected officials said that they are with us.
Right.
This is the time to prove it. Bring the resources, because these people, this is the travesty. We need them to declare this a state of emergency. It is a disaster. Should have been here earlier. There was probably 1,000 people here earlier.
Is it on the governor? Because he's the one that would have to declare state of emergency, because it's not just Austin,
here now.
Berwyn, it's Cicero.
Where's the governor at now?
Well,
Yeah, now.
the truth of the matter is, all of these elected officials must be held accountable. Because I know when you have three congressional leaders, Congressman Danny Davis, Congressman Robin Kelly, and Congressman Jesse Jackson Jr., or Jonathan Jackson rather, all three of them have access to the president. They can make one phone call in a matter of seconds to get resources back to these people.
And if this community does not get the help, what's going to happen?
You don't want to know.
Well, you know, the
We gonna work
people
together,
are
that's what we
frustrated,
gonna do.
and they will not quit till they get results. They will not stop until there's some support. You know, this community, Austin, West Garfield Park, has to be treated like North Park. You know, we're all paying taxes. We all deserve our support, and we all deserve our protection. And we gotta rebuild. I talk with so many of these people, and even now, they don't have hot water. This is third world living conditions. This must stop. And we're calling out to all of them. Congressman Davis, make the phone call. Governor Pritzker, make the phone call. Mayor Johnson, look like he's already made the phone call. Call again.
Okay. Get a shot of the. Just get a quick group chat here. Okay. So, what was the response when you called the governor? You said
I called the governor's office.
Not the governor.
You know, he's got several million people he's accountable to. I don't disrespect him on that.
Right.
And basically, he said make sure you call all the elected officials. And there's a pattern. City has to follow through. County has to declare disaster. And then the state.
You mentioned the mayor. You think the mayor's already made the call to? Well, he's made the call to the governor, right?
I don't know the extent, but I know he was in our neighborhood walking with people, and he was walking in alleys. He was down here on the front line with us. You got to give him credit for that.
Okay. Yeah, he was here on Monday.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, thanks.
That's all.
We got to go get this on the news, so we got to run. Thanks.
You know, I want to know why, but it's too late now because this takes people to understand. But I don't have no
Go back to the beginning. Go back to the beginning.
Real slow. Yeah, hell yeah. Put that on there. Damage. Close. Business, black business, shutting us down.
See, that's what happens when you lie to the people, man. This is what happens when you lie to the people. This is what happens when there's lights out and you lie to the people. This is what happens. These are lies. Look at this. Lies don't kill who tell them. Lies don't kill who tell them. You're looking at it right now.
Right. That's a business.
No, that's my house. That's my basement.
Eligible to get it. Let's say we wanted to have it when we got insurance all the years. We're not
Let me see.
Oh,
That's my basement. That's the second time it came in. That's at my back door.
If you do get some of that stuff,
Everything is gone.
they will pay for the water.
Furnaces, hot water tanks, TV. I got 2 fish tanks. Let's see if I can see the fish tank.
I saw the fish tank in the first.
It's on the first one. There's the fish tank.
They can cover it.
There's one fish tank, 2 fish tanks. All the way up to the base almost. It's 100 gallon, that's a 35
They
gallon.
found just told me that yesterday.
It's ridiculous.
Lights out, man. Talk that shit. Talk that shit. Real shit. Real shit.
I'm gonna walk around his place.
Stop.
I don't know where you stand on the bullhorn.
Who is that on the board?
Right.
Who is that, brother?
Go ahead.
Who is this brother on the board? He gonna bullhorn you.
Right. He's gonna bullhorn you all day long.
On this block. Here's the bullhorn.
Can we meet next Thursday? Can we meet next Thursday?
At City Hall.
So, We need to meet next, can we meet next Thursday? Is there a community church that we can meet at?
First of all how many times?
Pastor Mike, he ain't talking about shit.
Is there a community church that we can meet
If you trying to get church members,
This ain't about no damn church, homie. This is about the damn flood.
Say it again, say it again.
What's wrong with you? We don't need no damn church. We go to the Funny Park out of meeting, nigga.
What about the Friday Park? Can we meet it?
Let's go to that new message that's in there and have a meeting.
Right there on land.
Right.
why they play soccer all night?
Y'all do all this shit to the Mexicans and say, fuck us.
I already know. I know why. I already know why.
Hey, did your house flood? If your house ain't flood, Pastor Mike.
You got sub points.
Right. We can meet at the Funny Park. We got a big ass park on the corner.
Anybody here can commit to a place that we can meet other than what we already said? 20th.
My question is, after the meeting, what's going to happen?
Was the place
Are we
on
gonna
the
keep meeting
20th?
over and
If we
over?
get something better and faster, we'll call everybody just like they did when they came out today.
Well, you figure if we meet next week, they should have
There you go.
answers.
Look like the travel better than anything. So let's.
So we gonna keep meeting up to talk about something that ain't gonna get done?
No, supposed to be saying yeah.
Keep talking and talking and talking.
So we gonna. They already know. The streets are saying. All right, we gonna close out, y'all. We closing out.
Close out what?
If you don't have a definite place to tell us that it's going to be locked in for the date that you guys wanted, you're going to have to take it the way that we can get a place and a date. Because everybody's shouting out dates and places, but ain't nobody got no clarification on none of it other than what we said the 20th.
Need to be y'all, dude. Need to be y'all. Need to be y'all. Y'all don't have a set date or a place either.
He said the 20th, the Reverend Griffith's church.
So when did that happen? So you just made that up, or was it already in plan? If it was already in plan, that means all this shit that's going on right now, y'all already knew about it.
Maybe a lot of
You know what I'm saying? Y'all create a problem just to come and solve the problem so y'all can look good. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, support SWAT.
That's that. What's it?
You're gonna have to make a lot of
Talk that shit to you.
talk that shit.
We got
You're gonna have to make a lot of phone calls.
the date was the 20th, but everybody wants an earlier date.
Who is this guy?
I can't blink my eyes and make somebody else's place available. Now all we want is come out here on the street tomorrow. We come out here on the street tomorrow.
You said the 20th?
The 20th, what they said at Reverend
This shit is
Griffith's
date
church.
we giving y'all.
We're gonna shoot for everybody at the same
No phone
time.
calls.
And everybody get
All
on.
these people out here.
Other than that,
This the art of war right here. This the art of war right here. This is part of the art of war right here.
Reverend Griffith's church is right down the street here. Washington Division.
What's the address?
Washington Division. It's right here.
The movie theater, the old movie theater.
Yeah.
Join the church. You don't even have an address. You want to tell somebody to go to Reverend Griffith's church. Everybody don't know who Reverend Griffith
Right,
is.
exactly.
I go to my church.
We can get it organized.
And join the church.
Right.
Put something in the plate.
Right. You don't say join the church
Put
first.
something in the plate. And all the phone calls that he's gonna make. All these people out here, he gonna call all of them. He talking shit. He talking shit.
He talking shit. He ain't
That's the
talking that
mascot
shit.
for talking
He ain't talking
shit.
that shit. He just talking shit.
6 o'clock, we're going to shoot for Reverend Griffith's church right down the street on Monitoring Division. It's a big enough place. The 20th.
Bring your pocketbooks
It's the
for
20th.
this guy right here.
But why so long? Today's the 7th. Why we gotta wait that long? Oh, so in the meantime, while we wait for everything to dry up,
Let everything mold up.
mold up, get moldy, we gotta wait all those days, right?
First,
That ain't good. That ain't good. That ain't good, Hog. That ain't good.
Ain't nobody gonna come.
That ain't gonna, oh, ain't nobody gonna come. Oh, so you just want us to come, but you ain't nobody trying to fix shit.
Everybody's here right now.
Right.
Right now. What's the wait for? Then he go Luther Vandross over here. Then we got Luther Vandross over here. What's the wait for? Y'all didn't.
They got the money already.
Got the money. Mr. Knack over there. He ain't got the knack for lying. These are all fake promises.
Again, somebody else wants to organize something. That's fine. We want to organize This whole meeting was to get some clarity on how we can move forward with the situations that we've occurred and the situation that's going on in Mayhem.
No, I'm just asking.
Right now, it seems like
Fuck that shit, TV.
They think people in Chicago are stupid, especially here on the west side. You know, they think we're stupid. They deliberately redirected all this water to the west side. You can't tell me that NASCAR's in town and this is all a big coincidence. Show me all these high rises downtown that were flooded out. It didn't happen because they locked them tunnel sewer lines off downtown to save them for NASCAR and shoot all that stuff out here on the west side. Now, why we always get that end of the stick? You already know what I'm talking about. We always get that end of the stick. But we got to come together. Ain't no just, and then these elected officials always coming out here talking about this and that, but no solution and no avenue to take the right route. You know what I mean? So.
Meeting after meeting after meeting.
Meeting after meeting after meeting after meeting. Where the funding at? People have lost valuables. People got things from I came here with a truck full of elderly. They have lost stuff from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, early 2000s, teens that they were going to pass on to their generation. Now it's all gone. Now it's all gone. And these were valuable things. I'm helping them clean out. I had 14 inches of water in my basement. And when that water started to recede, you saw the suction in it. Like it opened it up. You saw the suction. I got the videos. I got the videos. You see the suction of that water coming out. That let you further know. How many years after years we done had rainfall like this? This ain't never happened. Just so we don't believe in no coincidence. Absolutely not. We do not believe in no coincidence. Well, God rained on their parade. It was a 100-lap race, confined down to 75 laps. It spoiled their fun, good, because they were up to something. The city is always up to something. And we always get the bad end of that stick. I don't want to say, but we always get the bad end of the stick. You know? And they always come around here talking that talk and act like people are stupid. We are not stupid. We're far from it. They locked them lines off and they pushed all this water out this way. We've never seen a flood like this. The only thing that saved me is because I got a truck that sits up, so I was getting through it. I see people getting stuck. All these viaducts, fire department is blocking each and every one of them off. But some people just still tried to go and got stuck. Had to sit on their cars. And then you saw the water coming up out the sewer like a volcanic eruption. That lets you know that it was packed and being pushed this way. People are not stupid. But this type of information goes unheard. The water reclamation gonna come out here and say, oh, we've had a record number of downfalls and all that. We ain't trying to hear that. We done had that year after year, all the time. And this ain't never happened. Now people got feces water in their basement, bacteria, not to mention algae, mold. They lost appliances. I got water in my dryer right now. Just went out Sunday, bought a hot water tank. The pumps are gone from all the Home Depot. The dehumidifier are gone because you got to pull all that moisture out. Now, you know, people are frustrated. They fed up.
That's when the mold try to cut down on the moisture.
Yeah, you got to pull all the moisture out.
Right, so
don't let it set up.
So it won't get moldy.
You don't want it to set up. You know? And they act like people are stupid. We are not stupid. We far from stupid.
Meeting after meeting after meeting. What is the meeting gonna do? Where the money is?
Right.
When you have a meeting, meet me with the money.
And then some of these officials, they sitting on avenues where they can get billions. And they come around once a year, give you a back-to-school parade and a Christmas dinner.
Fuck we need with
and
that.
that's all we want?
No.
Nah, we need to step on their toes too. We have to step on their toes. Start to hold them accountable.
Yep.
Don't come around just when it's time to vote. Bye. You know? And we got to open our eyes too. Because we can't just be out here on we don't know what's going on. We know what's going on. We need to call them out. See all these.
We need to start saying their name.
All these reporters coming out here, standing in the background looking all scared.
Channel
Come on now.
779. Right. Well,
trying to sell us some nonsense. Now we're not stupid. Far from it. God's people better open their eyes.
Now I want to know how many people out here that work for the city that know about this. That's out
I
here
heard through the grapevine. I heard through the grapevine. That's exactly what happened. They don't lock them channels off from downtown, and they started pushing all that water out. And when you put two and two together, it makes sense. It most definitely makes sense. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking. If it's a documentary here, City of Chicago ain't playing that. Us black folks ain't playing that no more. You need to stand up. Just stop talking about it. If you say we're gonna protest, let's protest. You wanna stop a work day, stop a work day. That's all I got, bro. You know what I'm saying?
You from Talk That Shit TV? You on YouTube?
Yeah.
Talk that shit.
Yeah. I heard it. Spell shit with a Y.
Yeah, our man stay upstairs and shit. That's all we like.
You gotta
yeah. This is what's going on.
No, I ain't got no card. I got
numbers.
You know, once you open the eyes nationally too, it's like all the stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? I don't watch videos on YouTube, bro. Like, you know, that's always pipes in there.
Right, y'all passing out pipes and all that bullshit. But what
now
money
we got
is
security right here.
if I show you my
right
shit,
here.
fucked up right
Some more
there.
lights.
Oh yeah.
We'll go up there and knock his lights out.
Look, Darius over here. I'm there.
Good looking, bro.
And they want everybody to meet. Okay, meet us with a check. Y'all already know it's and then the insurance people are not paying for flood. So they knew that. So
meet him at the church.
Because this is Chicago's got a flood zone.
okay, but we got flood.
Right, exactly. But you're lying.
We're talking that money from everybody.
Right. You get my right, exactly.
They say we got the best sewer system in.
Yeah, we got one of the best sewer systems. So why?
Yeah, they turn it off and push the water down.
Right, they cut it off. They push it this way. They push it this way. When I'm driving around the other day, I'm like, right? But I'm seeing from curve to curve of water. I'm like, I've never seen that before. Come over this way.
Hey, here, man, looking like.
Oh, dude, that's
Police right there.
I preacher. Can't remember his name, but yeah, preacher.
Okay, that's my man right there.
Yeah, man. This right here is the audible.
That's your
You got some pigs out here.
They bring us though.
Yeah, we just moved through
kids out here like we at church.
Yep, one big church. Just moving through here.
Hold up. Just to talk about nothing. Having a meeting, yet you knew what the situation was, but yet you want to have a meeting for what? We already know what we meeting for. Like, okay, I owe you some money. I did your property damage, and I owe you that. Some money to fix your shit up, right? So I want to meet with you though, right? Let's talk about what happened. We already know what happened. It ran, y'all flooded us, so where's that at? Where you gonna give me money at to fix my shit up? But then they say it's free money. How is it free when I'm paying taxes? Stop playing.
Yep. Yes, sir.
How is it free? Ain't nothing free. We paid that shit already.
Good. We're gonna get up out of here, man. You know, this is the art of war right here, man.
Fuck out of here.
Some of the stuff that's gonna be on the art of war. Well, it is on the art of war right now. You know what I mean? This is what we're doing.
That's that bullshit right
Walking through the streets and shit. Straight bullshit. You know what I mean? Yep. Walking down to business.
They got chairs out there like, you know what I mean? They got chairs out there like we at church.
But come to his church.
Right, go to his church.
He said come to his church. Come to the church. So we can be new members.
Right, and then we're gonna pass out the collection plate so we can make sure everybody get their basement fixed.
And bring your pocketbook. Lights out, man. Talk that shit TV, man. We out of here, man. This some bullshit.
We out.